Hello everyone, welcome back to my 100 Day English Word Challenge. So, I know how scary it feels to start over. It's that quiet moment after everything falls apart. A plan that didn't work, a dream that ended too soon, or a version of yourself that no longer fits. You wake up one morning and realize you have to begin again from scratch. But here's something I've learned: you are never really starting from zero. You are starting for experience, from lessons, or from strength you didn't know you had. uh, everything every time you start over, you are rebuilding yourself stronger, wiser, braver. Yes, it's hurt, hurts. Yeah. You might miss what used to be. You might feel lost for a while, but sometimes things fall apart because they are not longer meant for the person you're becoming. It's like life saying, hey, you feel outgrown this version of yourself. It's time to move. Yes, move. But starting over doesn't mean you failed. It means you were brave enough to try again, to learn again. You adapted, you are still standing. Think about it. Every successful person you admire once had to start over. Too, they just didn't quit in the middle. So if you are rebuilding right now, a dream, a routine, a life, give yourself permission to take it slow. You don't have to rush. You are not behind. You are not actually where you need to be. Someday, you will look back and realize that this moment, the messy beginning, was actually the start of something better. You are not lost. You are railing, and sometimes the most beautiful version of you comes right after the hardest restart. Maybe that's all for me, and see you in the next vlog.